Excuse me. That was gross.
Did you get another sword?
No.
Oh.
You want to have to fire with
Wow.
Oh my god! Wow! That's impressive, holy cow! Holy! Look at the van! Did you see the van? The reflection?
Are they reflecting off the van?
What?
Is that just like a giant sparkler? Yeah.
I want to do a sparkler.
How are you putting it over the water? Didn't know it made noise.
Dude, why are you putting it over the water? Don't put it over the water. And don't point it towards us. No,
It's like a blowtorch.
no, it's yeah.
That's what you gotta do. Wait.
My watch is gonna die.
What do you need to watch for? How old was Grandma Sandra turning?
73.
Holy.
What's she doing? Is she doing a smiley?
Calculating, right?
Why is she doing a smiley?
If they were like 13 or 23, that would be not.
It happens.
That's illegal. It's just based on
What did you do?
Like five pop splashed everywhere. God.
What you want to do?
like 13 and
All over my glasses.
yeah.
It freaked me out. Oh, jeez.